Hey everyone, today in this episode, I will show you how to choose the right e-commerce platform, BigCommerce, Magento, and WooCommerce. So, we are diving into the world of e-commerce platforms, specifically BigCommerce, Magento, also known as Adobe Commerce, and WooCommerce. These platforms cater to different needs and audiences, so let's break down their key features, pros, and cons. Let us begin with BigCommerce. BigCommerce was initially crafted with large enterprises in mind, counting well-known brands like Ben and Jerry's, Clark's, or Skull Candy among its users. However, they also offer the Essentials product, which is accessible to a broader range of businesses, regardless of size. Some of the most valuable e-commerce features that BigCommerce offers include advanced product filtering, robust SEO capabilities, targeted customer marketing, minimal downtime, and the ability to sell across multiple social media and third-party marketplaces. However, BigCommerce power comes with a trade-off. It can be complicated and somewhat inflexible. Users have reported limited template options and a less customizable website editor. Additionally, BigCommerce has fewer integrations compared to other platforms, which can hinder your store's growth. One notable drawback is their policy of charging you if you exceed your yearly sales limit. I highly recommend taking advantage of BigCommerce free trial to see if it suits your needs before making a commitment. Now, let us talk about Magento, also known as Adobe Commerce, which is a self-hosted e-commerce platform. Magento provides an unmatched level of adaptability and personalization, positioning it as the top pick for both business owners and developers. It includes capabilities such as customer segmentation, staging sites, comprehensive inventory control, and seamless integration with diverse sales platforms including Amazon. However, Magento's great functionality comes at a cost. It has a steep learning curve and requires technical expertise. As a self-hosted platform, you are responsible for site upkeep, security, and backups, which can be challenging. It is not a plug-and-play solution, and you will need a skilled team to get your store up and running. If you are a rapidly growing business with a developer on your team and strong cash flow, Magento can help you scale up and expand your store's reach. Last but not least, we have WooCommerce, a popular add-on plugin for WordPress, offering a seamless way to add e-commerce functionality to your WordPress site. WooCommerce, with its plug-and-play nature, offers a user-friendly experience that is particularly welcoming to newcomers in the e-commerce arena. It seamlessly integrates with your existing WordPress website, maintaining a cohesive visual identity throughout. Moreover, its extensive collection of extensions empowers you to gradually expand and enhance your online store as your business grows. However, WooCommerce has its downsides. While the platform itself is free, you should be prepared for hidden costs associated with extensions, which can add up quickly. Like WordPress, it is self-hosted, so you will be responsible for troubleshooting and maintenance. Some users find it clunky, slow to load, and challenging to customize beyond basic elements without coding knowledge. If you are already a WordPress user and willing to invest time and effort into maintenance, WooCommerce could be a great choice to add e-commerce functionality to your site. Now, we have explored three e-commerce platforms: BigCommerce, Magento, and WooCommerce. Each has its own set of strengths and weaknesses, catering to different business needs. Be sure to assess your requirements, technical expertise, and budget before choosing the one that suits your e-commerce journey best. That's it for today. If this concept resonated with you, then stay tuned for our next video where I will introduce how to choose the right e-commerce platform: PrestaShop, Squarespace, and Big Cartel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you until the next one.